Yes. Dapat po masaya. Totoo yun, Mama. And of course, the taste. I'm sorry. We have one of the judge from US. Now, Mr. Bean, you'll get to see the beauty of Filipina engraved. So, you can hire them later. And are you enjoying the NC? Yeah, 2 weeks back I was in Subic, and I'm really laughing, you know, on how they, you know, do their job. So thank you very much. So again, enjoy the night, enjoy the meat items. Thank you so much. Good evening.
So that was the final message from the President of the ISAC National. Thank you very much, Engineer Ornan.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So sometimes it's always nice to hear something from the speech from our ISAC National President. So it's a thank you. And partner, would you like to say something?
So, for the, let's go to criteria for judging. 5% for the casual dress, 50% for the cocktail dress, 40% for the intelligence, and another 40% for the beauty and toys. So total of?
Of course, 100%. So, partner, you've mentioned that the casual dress is composed of 5% of the candidate's total score. So, we've seen the candidates earlier, and they are wearing their casual dresses. And the next time we'll see them here on stage, they'll be wearing their casual dresses. And what are these criteria if there are no people to judge the candidates? So, let us now introduce the panel of judges for tonight. So first on the list is the Chief Executive Officer of the Alltech Corporation. You're all welcome.